Hi guys, my name is Simone. If you're new, welcome. As you've all probably seen in the title, this video I will be talking about how I met Liam PAYNE again. I'm actually filming this way too late. I apologize already. I should have uploaded this like 2 months ago. Well, let's just say that October has been a crazy month for me. I saw Harry live 4 times and I met Liam twice. Like, how did that happen? This video is gonna be me talking you through how it happened and how I got there and how I found out and stuff, just so maybe your chance will be bigger of meeting one of the boys. Really. So you're welcome. And I also put in some more footage of how I meet him, because I've also included this bit in my Harry tour vlog, which I will put in the description box if you would like to see that. But anyways, let's get started. So basically, I booked my trip to London for October 30th, the day I would see Harry there live. So I had seats for that show, so gladly I didn't have to queue because I've been queuing way too much already for that boy. So me and my sister flew in that morning, and then we were just texting a few friends, and they said there's this thing going on. It's called Pride of Britain, and apparently like Ed Sheeran is coming and David Beckham. I was like, no, didn't have anything else to do that day, so why not meet Ed Sheeran again and meet David Beckham? In the end, both of them didn't come. So I got there, I got a wristband, just waiting, just chilling with a few friends there. And then one of my friends said, you know Liam's coming, right? And I'm like, Liam who? Yeah, Liam PAYNE's coming. And I'm like, what? I know I've said this like 10,000 times in like other videos. Like, when you've been trying to meet One Direction for 6 years, you don't expect to meet 2 of them twice in 5 months, which is pretty insane. And especially Liam, because I met Liam on October 20th, like a week before, like 10 days before, and I met him on October 30th. Like, how? So then I was like, yeah, is he really though? Because like I hear a lot of things and some of them aren't even true. So I was like, no, let's just see if he's actually coming. So I was just waiting just for other people to arrive, and then Liam put something on his Instagram story or a Snapchat story that he was getting ready for the Pride of Britain Awards. And I'm like, okay, so what's actually happening? So basically, if you've seen the previous video where I met Liam the first time, you would have seen that I was with 2 other girls called Amber and Irene. Amber got a photo, Irene sadly didn't. She's been a fan even longer than me. She's been there for like 6 or 7 years. And like Irene, out of all the people who were standing there, didn't get a photo. And I promised her, I will promise you, I will try to help her meet Liam. So basically what I did, I called her, I'm like, Irene, get here as soon as you can. Run, take a bus, take anything, get here as soon as you can. And so she got there and she was like, no, it's not gonna happen. I've lost hope already. And then Liam arrived. Like, he was actually standing there and taking pictures with other people, and I was freaking out. Oh, by the way, we also made a sign saying here for Liam. Yeah, I don't think I actually filmed it, but I made a sign saying here for Liam, which I held up when he arrived, and Patty saw it, Liam's bodyguard, if you don't know who he is. And then, well, here we go again. Well, then this happened. Roll the tape of me meeting Liam. Thank you. Can I get one as well, please? Hello. So nice to meet you. A challenge. Can we get one as well? Thank you so much. Thank you. My eyes are thank you. Oh, it's cold. I say. Can I get one as well? She wants a picture. Sorry. Thank you so much. Okay, little short video. We're about to meet Liam. He's over there. We're dying. Part 2. The meeting Liam part 2, and he's on his way, and I'm gonna cry. Bye, guys. Hi. Oh, you're following me right away. Can you take it? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, I'm doing something to light.
Yeah, it's
what is going on here?
Anyway, I'm just filming. Hi. Gotta get a hug.
Thank you so much, Liam. We appreciate it.
Thank you. I'll try my best. There you go.
Thank you.
Love bedroom floor.
Yeah, it's a jam. Bedroom floor is a jam. I met you last week at BBC.
Good to see you.
Yeah. I'm on the floor.
Thank you, Liam.
Thank you so much. 6 8.
Sorry.
Can you take it? Tack så mycket.
Thank you so much, Liam.
Thank you so much. Irene, it finally happened, guys. Okay, so like we just met Liam. We just met him.
Just before.
Finally, I met Liam twice in the space of like 10 days. I met Liam twice in 10 days. Oh my god. Okay, can't like believe we just met Liam and we're about to see Harry live in like an hour or so.
Really?
As you do. Oh, this is Scott, by the way. Say hi to my vlog, Scotty. Everyone knows Scott 1D. Hi vlog. Scott 1D. I just met Liam. Did you get a photo with him though? Ah! What? Shut the front door.
Liam moments, love that. He raised the eyebrows, shut up!
Be extra! Be happy!
Yo! My baby! Oh, Stacey, shut up!
How amazing is that? Like, Liam looked amazing. Like, I met Liam in a suit. And that's just, he looked, oh my god, he just looked really good. So basically, then he came to our part and I was shaking, like I was shaking so hard, so I asked him to take my phone, like, can you take the photo for me? And then I was like, yeah, sure. And then something really weird, I don't know if you heard what he said, but the lighting was changing, so he was like, what's going on? What's going on with the lighting? What's going on? Then he did like a little weird eyebrow thingy, which I loved. And that's how I got there. I was in London anyway, so I didn't fly there just for him. I just happened to be somewhere where he came, and so it was an amazing surprise waiting there and someone telling me, saying like, yeah, Liam's gonna come. Get excited. And I was getting excited. So yeah. I'm also so happy for Irene that she finally met one of the boys. She's also met Louis like 2 weeks later, which is amazing. Shout out to Irene, by the way. Shout out to Irene. You're really good, man. So yeah, that's kind of the story how I met Liam. Afterwards, I was crying on the floor. Not even joking, I actually cried on the floor. The weirdest thing is, like, I still had this amazing rush, like, oh my god, I met Liam. But I actually, like, after I met Liam, I actually had to rush to the venue where Harry was performing because I actually missed Muna. I missed the opening act because I met Liam. I actually got there just in time. We had like 20 more minutes until Harry was gonna start. So I usually get really early to the venues just so I can, like, you know, chill out for a bit. It was hectic though, really hectic. Afterwards we had some Nando's to celebrate. Probably one of the best days ever of my life. Probably, yeah. If you want to see me camping out for 4 shows in 4 different countries, I also made a vlog for that, which I'll put in the description box. And I also made a little video of my amazing 2017. I made like this 3-minute edit of like me meeting them and me going to the shows and having fun with friends, and just kind of like, whenever I feel sad, I just watch the video. I'm like, Simone, you're so grateful, don't be sad, cheer up, woman. So yeah, I'll also leave those 2 videos down below. And I've been getting loads of questions of like what other shows I'm gonna do next year. So I'll tell you real quickly now. The first show I'm going to for Harry's tour is in, I know you pronounce it Basel in Switzerland, which will be the very first show of Harry's 2018 tour. So excited for that. I have I have front of stage tickets for that, I think, front of stage right. And then I'm going to Amsterdam. I have seats for that, catwalk seats. Antwerp front of stage, Oberhausen front of stage, Hamburg front of stage, and then Mannheim B stage. I'm still looking for tickets for Harry's London shows, both of them. Yeah, so that's my Harry 2018 show thing, I guess. And then for Niall, I'm gonna meet him in Cologne. So I got meet and greet for that one. And I'm gonna see him in Amsterdam, Brussels, and Bologna. I'm actually going to Bologna with my mom. But anyways, I don't want to make this video too long because I've been talking about too many other things you probably don't even care about. So hopefully this will get you, like all these videos where I meet One Direction, will make your chance bigger of meeting them. You can always ask me anything in the comments down below if you have any more questions, or on my Instagram, which I'll put right here. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see my 2018 Harry tour and my meeting Niall thing. Tour Niall and stuff, and I might meet someone else one day, you never know. Oh, in the video where I met Liam last time, I'll just put like loads of videos in the description box, which are me touring, me meeting them, and to know, you might enjoy it, you might not. Look at it or don't, your decision. So yes, thank you for watching once again, and I will see you very soon with new videos. Makes my arms look messed up, doesn't it? Bye bye.